don't have a funnel or a website where you can collect emails to grow your list, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to create an easy capture page and thank you page in Manychat so you can start growing your messenger list and your email list right inside this same tool.
Hey, my name is Andrea, and in this channel you will be learning about chat marketing, customer service tips and tricks, neuromarketing, and more techie tutorials of my favorite tools. Enjoy the next video.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and I help coaches and consultants become irresistible leaders online with automation so that they never leave a lead behind. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Manychat growth tool called landing pages so you can collect emails and grow your messenger list as well for your marketing purposes. So let's get started and let's dive in right into the content. Okay, so after that introduction, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to create a capture page that is completely free inside of Manychat. Okay, so we're here inside of Manychat and we're in the section called Growth Tools. Here on the left, we have a menu and it's the third option that says Growth Tool. We're going to create a new growth tool. We're going to click here on New Growth Tool. We're going to add a name here. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the growth tool called landing page. Okay, so we can keep it as simple as possible, or we could add a little bit more design. How do we add a little bit more design? Well, we can add a media background. How do we add the media background? Well, we select your media background, we scroll down, and we add the image here below. And now it's gonna appear in the background. Or if you don't want a media background, you can leave text and media and just have solid colors as your background. And you can have the image above or below this information. I'm gonna show you right here. See, this is where we edit it. Here's where you put in the headline. Here's where you put in the description. You could change the colors so they look well with the background. Make sure that they go well and it looks good. And you can show or remove the description. I would leave the description so you can put something there. If you want to add a video, you can add a video on top and have a solid background. For example, like this. And have a video here up top with a YouTube link. So let's grab a YouTube link so I can show you. While that loads, I'm going to show you the other options that we could do. Leave the button type as sent to messenger. We can change the color of the headline, the color of the description, the background of the button color, so if it's light blue or if it's white, the button size, small, medium, and leave it large. I would always leave it large. And the button text, we can change it. There's so many options because it depends what you want them to do, right? Generally, they're gonna receive a message on Messenger. So send to Messenger is okay. Get this in Messenger as well. It's a good one too. Receive this in Messenger, send this to me, get customer assistant. If it's about customer service or customer assistance, you can use this. If it's about customer service as well or support, you can use the get support. If it's about chatting, you can use the chat. So it depends on what your landing page is for and what are they going to do in the flow that you select the right button. Okay, that's how you select the right button. In this case, since they're gonna get messages in Messenger, I would leave it with send to Messenger, or get this in Messenger, or send this to me. Or it could be this one that says get started, or subscribe in Messenger, or tell me more, let me know, message me. Message me is good. I'm gonna leave it with message me. Just as an example to see how it's gonna look. Okay, so you can add a video behind as a background. Or if you put text and media here, you put the video here up top. So you can have a video as a background as well as a picture, or you could have it above the headline, above the description. It could be in the middle. It could be here in the middle. This is a good spot to put it actually. Headline, video, call to action, and then it could be below the description. That's another good placement. It could be to the side or to the other side. So how do we create a lead magnet? But I would leave it there. I would leave it here. Okay. Now that we have that landing page created, when we click on next, we get to the submitted state. This is the thank you page. So on the thank you page, there's not a lot of description. You could also redirect this to a landing page inside your website. You can send them to somewhere else after they subscribe in Messenger. They're gonna get a message in Messenger inbox, but you could also send them to another site. Maybe you have a one-time offer, or maybe you have a tripwire that you want them to buy, or a sales page that you want to send them to after they subscribe to whatever you're sending them to subscribe to, right? In this case, we're just going to leave this show new message. We're going to change the background color to like this color, and you can change the button background. You can change the headline, the button text, the description. You could change the colors and the media. You could have it same as initial. You could change it and have an image or a video at the top. You could have a video saying, thank you for joining. Check out your inbox, blah, 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 right? Tell people what to do. And it would be such a cool video as a thank you on the top, or an image. It could be a GIF or an image that you could drag and drop. And here, I would add a video saying thank you. That's what I would recommend. Or not adding anything, just a little message. It's fine. Then we're going to click on next. And here is the fun part. Well, the other stuff was also fun. This is where we select the flow that people are going to receive when they subscribe to the landing page. So let's say you have a quiz bot, and that quiz bot is going to be attached to a landing page. So every time that you promote the quiz, you send the link to this landing page, and then people can start the quiz inside of Messenger. So how we replace it, we click here on replacement, and we select the flow that we want to use. For example, in this case, I have a quiz here that I created. I can add and select this flow to start. If not, you can just edit it from here, and we're gonna click on next. We cannot add a subscriber to a sequence on this. It's not available anymore. And we click on next. Here it shows us the finish landing page. Here's the URL. You can copy the URL here, and you can add the Facebook pixel ID here. So it tracks the pixels for Facebook ads. So it's super cool. And you gotta make sure that you save it on the top right-hand corner, the blue button. Always make sure you save it and make sure that it says active so you can start sharing it. So that is all for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to help you automate online tasks that you shouldn't be doing, and that you can allow a bot to help you out and leverage out. Also, I'll be posting other videos on other content that's coming, and comment below if you have any requests, any questions. I make sure that I answer all of the comments that I get here in the channel. Thank you so much, and remember to share, because sharing is caring, and follow me on Instagram. Find me as Irresistible Latina. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Bye-bye.